Installing or updating the Pebble Geo desktop app. Get the latest version of the app by completing the download form on the website. The download link is revealed on the page. You'll also receive an email with a download link. The download is a zip file. Save the file onto your computer. Unpack the file using right-click, Extract All. Run the installer file by double-clicking on it. If challenged by a Windows message, click Yes to trust the file. Follow the install prompts and accept the end-user license agreement. Fire up Pebble Geo from the Start menu or the desktop shortcut. All done. Only takes a minute or so to do. If you're updating your copy, you can install over the top of your existing version. Your existing license will be detected.